All right, Jesse, we're closing in on the work week starting again. I have to say, this felt like a really nice weekend because it was quiet. And I'm afraid I just jinxed us. Yeah. But last weekend was not.
Right.
Last weekend was full of tornado warnings and the cleanup and everything like that. And so it was nice this weekend to sort of take a breath.
Yeah.
A little humid, a little warm out there, but I'll take it.
Listen, I love the weather more than the next guy, right? But the thing is I also like it quiet for the sake of North Texans and the sake of everybody else to take a breath, enjoy the weekend, you know?
Yes.
And not have to think about what's falling from the sky for a minute.
Yes, agreed.
Also, is it really tinnitus?
I say tinnitus.
All right, let's go here. The commercial, it just got me. It's like a Mandela effect. I never knew it was that. 83 degrees, that was the high today. 78 is the normal, the record. 92, why does that feel low to me? It just does. 80 degrees, that's the temperature now with the winds out of the south at 17 miles an hour. We've had partly sunny skies. We've had mostly cloudy skies. It's just kind of alternating throughout the day. So we've had some sunshine here or there. Tonight's a mostly cloudy night. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. Nothing to worry about. So you get to go to work and school with no problems. We'll be watching, and when I say far western portions of North Texas, I may mean on the outskirts, but if you look here, a couple little thunderstorms may try to fire up tomorrow, late afternoon and the evening, out toward Abilene. So you really got to get out into the big country to see a chance of those thunderstorms. There may be a stray shower or two that pops into western portions of our area, but it's just a level 1 marginal risk for Graham up to Bowie. Dallas-Fort Worth area not included in a severe risk on Monday, but we are for Tuesday and Wednesday, and that's why we have these WFAA weather alert days in effect. Main concerns: up to quarter-size hail, up to 60-mile-an-hour winds, brief heavy rain. Wednesday, there's a chance that we'll see an isolated tornado. The threat is on the low end, but it's not zero, and just stay updated. That's all you have to do. Have a way to receive warnings. Download the WFAA app. Let me show you as we head into Tuesday. We start the day cloudy. Now, the latest data continue to kind of shift the chance of rain a little bit farther to the northwest throughout Tuesday afternoon. We may have to wait till Tuesday night in the Dallas-Fort Worth area to see some thunderstorms move in. This is noon. This is 3 from Bowie to Graham. This is 5 from Sherman down to Denton. The expectation is this will actually weaken a bit as it moves into the Dallas-Fort Worth area and certainly to the southeast. So, it comes in, it will linger with some scattered showers and storms, and because of that expectation with weakening, that's why it's a level 1 marginal risk for Fort Worth to western portions of Collin County, the better chance for strong or severe thunderstorms, or higher chance, I should say, level 2, up to quarter-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds in the areas northwest of the Metroplex. Now, our most widespread chance for rain this week is Wednesday. Okay, we start off with clouds. We'll have showers and storms already ongoing in western portions of the area. Then by mid to late morning, it's already raining with thunderstorms, a couple of them strong or severe. This is noon on Wednesday. You'll see the thunderstorm coverage a little bit higher, a little bit stronger to the south of I-20. Any of these thunderstorms could produce some quarter-size hail or 60-mile-an-hour winds. Because of the nature of how these thunderstorms are moving in, the structure of these storms, we're not looking at individual supercells. This looks like more of just a big blob of rain and thunderstorms. Some of them could intensify briefly to produce some very large hail or some, again, 60-mile-an-hour winds. The tornado threat's not zero, but because of this mess of rain that we have, it is on the lower end. These clusters of thunderstorms, not as conducive for tornado genesis. So there could be, I can't rule it out, an isolated one, but it's a really low risk. It's up to quarter-size hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds for all of North Texas on Wednesday. Tonight, 70 degrees, a warm night, still breezy. The winds won't stop. Tomorrow, it's April. 85 degrees, a warm day, windy too. 14-day forecast. There are the WFAA weather alert days. Thursday and Friday look quiet. Next weekend, more scattered showers and storms in the forecast into the following Monday and Tuesday. And then it looks like we may get into at least a brief period of a break from these constant storm systems for the second week of May.